Hello there! Welcome back to Miss Introvert's channel. You may call me Miss Introvert's inspiration. And yes, I did ask permission before taking over for today. I'm looking at you, procrastination.
What can I say? I procrastinated about it. 1 minute I was ready, and the next there's a video to make.
That's actually pretty funny, but we all know that it was wrong, but it was perfectly accurate for her character. Well, let's get my theme music on, shall we? It's been so nice working on everything in Miss Introvert's writing these days. I haven't always been listened to, because of things like school and priorities.
Whatever those are.
I'm her inspiration. Shouldn't I have a say in what she writes? It's not my fault I don't have an essay that's just ready to write. I have stories to tell. One of them being about a very popular high school student who's really a vampire, who's living the life of a diva. Oh yes, this is a video, isn't it? I'm sorry. I get carried away sometimes, but you don't mind if I rant, do you? Good, because I have a lot to say.
Sorry. Okay.
Yes?
I know you didn't want me to do this, but I was listening in, and I just want to let you know that I do the rants, not you.
Okay. Okay, bye then.
Are you sure you don't want me to do this one today? Like, do you have anything prepared?
You're asking me if I have anything prepared? That is low. You know that I always have stuff prepared.
You really don't. Like, I mean, sometimes, but not always. Like, I'll have you scheduled for a writing session, and the usual response is, like, nothing, because you're not even present.
Well, I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much, just your voice. Seriously, please silence yourself and leave this room right now.
This is my room.
I don't care. I'm filming, and I'm your inspiration, and I'm here now, and I can handle myself.
Okay, well, you know that you're telling the viewers about inspiration and what it is and how it helps and sometimes doesn't help.
Yes, I know what I'm doing, ma'am. Now please get out.
Okay. Good luck.
I don't need luck. I'm amazing. I'm inspiration. Anyway, I wanted to talk to all of you amazing writers and viewers out there. What inspiration is, and what it does, and sometimes doesn't do. Yes, I know it's hard to believe. Sometimes I just have other priorities, and I'm not ranting. Anyway, inspiration is the process of developing ideas, having epiphanies and bursts of stimulating feeling to go and do something. That something is creative, and on this channel, creative is writing. Now, I'm not always around for the process. Sometimes I get tired, or procrastination convinces me to take a me day, and Miss Introvert just goes nowhere with writing without me sometimes. And when I do have something and I'm bringing things to the table, she wants nothing to do with me, even though I know she's loving every idea I give to her. I'm just so committed to this, and she wants nothing to do with it. So in other words, we have a rocky relationship. But at the end of the day, I'm not always there to help her. I'm not always around to give her the ideas and the motivation that she needs. And so she's forced to write without me, and I'm forced to come up with even more ideas. It's just so frustrating. Comment down below if you and your inspiration have the same relationship. But there is a bright side to this. Miss Introvert and I have come to an agreement of sorts that she'll try to write whenever inspiration, me, strikes. And if I'm not around, or if she needs a break, then she'll take that break, or keep on writing consistently, or read a book on the subject she's writing about to get me back, or she'll just go outside. I work wonders outside, believe me. Now, there's always the worry that your idea won't be good enough. And sometimes I suggest a concept that Miss Introvert recently had a dream about, only for her to tell me that there is no logic in the dream she has, and I have to both surrender and concur. There is nothing sensible about the dream she has. But I want to encourage all of you that whatever ideas you have, that you should be writing them down, and putting them in your rough draft if you feel so inclined. Rough drafts are supposed to be a mess of ideas, and like Miss Introvert always says, you can always edit later. If you keep them to yourself, you'll either forget them or never get anything done. I remember one time Miss Introvert didn't write down one of my brilliant ideas. I still can't find it to this day. I'll never forgive her for that one idea. I tell her time and again, write down the ideas, and she just, oh, but it's fine. So yes, that is my spiel on being one of the entities in Miss Introvert's mind. I hope all of your inspiration are doing alright. Say hello to them for me. Listen to their ideas and remember to take breaks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel either. And if you want to, you can check out the video that Procrastination made.
That one video that we don't talk about but still bring up in videos for reasons that I can't comprehend.
So yes, I will see you all later. Stay basic. Okay, bye. Is this how she does it? Do I just stay here? We're editing this out, right?